Yes, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, you're welcome. Consider to subscribe, enable the notification bell so that you get all my videos when I upload. So right now here in the background, this is Mbuzi Mountain. It's our village mountain here. So we used to come and graze from this side, and yes. So guys, I think today I decided to take you around our village. Yeah, let's take a little bit tour of it and I show you how it looks like. Yes, it's an African village. Yeah, so let's walk together guys as I show you how it looks like. Yes, yes guys, let's walk together as I tour around our village. Yes, this is the famous village for YouTubers. Yeah, because we have a lot of YouTubers from this village. Yeah, and if you don't know them, I will drop a link in the description for actually one YouTuber who made a video with me today. Yeah, and I show you, you can kindly check on him. Yes, so guys, let's walk together as I show you how it looks like. Yeah, I hope you can see the roads of the village. This is how roads in the village looks like guys. Yeah, I hope you can see. Yeah, houses of beautiful houses in the village. That's how they look like. Yeah, let's continue working guys together. Yes. So this is our village church. And see, this is how it looks like. Yeah, it is made of timbers and iron sheets only. Yeah, so it's been here for some for like 1 year right now. And this is our pitch, village pitch, football pitch. You can see that one is the first goal and the other one is the second goal post. Yeah, that is the pitch. Yes, let's continue guys as I show you my village here. Yes, so guys, if you are new here, you can kindly support me, support the African boy. Road to 2K subscribers. Yes, and kindly share this video to your friends, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section to let me know how you think about this video. So this is the it was built here by the government, this building, but right now it acts like a post, a police post. Yeah, that one. Yes, so right here guys, let me show you here. When you're standing here, the other one is the Mbuzi Mountain that I was showing you where I'm coming from. And right here, this road continues to Butebe. There is another trading center in Butebe guys, and Butebe, it's a neighborhood here in our village, and actually it's part of Fort Portal City. Yeah, so it connects to our village here. Yeah, it's actually a developed center. Yeah, right there. So let's continue walking guys as I show you the beauty of our village. So guys, remember guys, I'm on the road to 2K subscribers. kindly share this video and let me know how you think about my videos, guys. Yeah, support your African boy. Yeah, I'm trying to show you everything from this side of Fort Portal City that you don't see on TV. Yeah, so here there is that side there is let me try to get closer and show you. Yeah, so here there is a coffee, yeah, a coffee farm. You can see that the coffee wilt disease resistant mother garden and nurseries. Yeah, they have here garden for coffee. They plant coffee that side. Yeah, let's continue walking, guys. Yes. Yes, guys, I hope you can see that our village is really looking nice compared to other villages. This village is really looking nice, and actually you can see yourself that it is really nice. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, this place is called Mumaranga. I don't know, this word is in foreign language, Mumaranga, but I don't know how to express it in English, but this place is called Mumaranga. Yeah, and it's actually a village. Yeah, and we also have rich people here around. You can see these are the houses of the richest people here in our village. You can see, yeah, they look nice. Yeah, beautiful. Let's continue, guys, walking. You can see they are really looking nice. So these are our richest people here in our village. Yeah. Yes. So guys, I beg your support. I need your support. Support my channel, support your African boy. Yeah, guys, I'm on the road to 2K subscribers. Remember to share my videos, to give a like and a comment. So I think I should sign out for today, guys. I'll be updating you in another video. Thank